Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel3B exam. Click the launch. So if you want to complete my MylTLab courses, it's Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So my exam title is Excel3B exams and total questions 10. In the long term analysis sheet using the formula increase the insert the formula C6 calculate the advertising increase the increase from the year 2015 and 2016 and select the cell is C6 and is the formula press enter and copy the formula from C6 to the range D6 to F6 D6 to F6. So question number 1 is complete and we can move to question number 2. So question number 2 is use the format pointers and copy the format A22 press enters is copy the format pointer and B6 to F6 B6 to F6. Question number 2 is complete and we can move to question number 3. So question number 3 is in the cell C19 insert the formula that will calculate the advertising spending. After that, for cost increase in the cell A18 is the added and to the 2019 total ensure that the reference to cell A18 is an absolute cell reference. The cell is C19. Insert the formulas. C19 cell is C19 cell is C19 and paste the formula press enter and copy the formula and formatting cell C90 to the range D90 to F19. So copy the formula D90 to F90. So question number 3 is complete and we can move to question number 4. So question number 4 is change the value in cell A18 to 4%. Select the cell is A80 to 4% and press enter. And next is copy the content of the range B90 to F19 and then paste the value and then number formats into cell B24 and cancel the moving border. So type the range is B90 to F19 press enter. Copy the content and paste the value number format in cell B24. So select the cell as B24 and paste the value and number formats and cancel the moving border. Press escape button. So question number 4 is complete and we can move to question number 5. So question number 5 is insert the two blank row above the row 17. So select the row 70, right clicks and click the inserts and the next is insert. So insert the two row and create the line with the marker charts using the range A5 to F5. Type the range A5 to F5, press enter and create the line with the marker chart. So go to the insert tabs and go to the recommended and chart groups and click the recommended charts and click the all chart is create the line with the marker charts. The line with the marker charts, click OK. Next is Use the font dialog box, format the chart's title with the bold and to change the title font color blue under the standard color. So select the font dialog box and apply the bold and change the font color blue under the standard color. Font color is blue. So question number 5 is complete and we can move to question number 6. So question number 6 is modify the label of the horizontally axis label in the line charts so that the year in the B4 to F4. Modify the label of the horizontally. So go to the chart design tabs and click the select the data and click the horizontally edit is range is B4 to F4. Range is B4 to F4. Click OK and again OK. Next is modify the vertical value axis that minimum bound is 7200 and do not close the task pane. So select the value, right clicks and click the format axis and minimum bound is 7200. Bound is 7200 and press enter and do not close the. So question number 6 is complete and we can move to question number 7. So question number 7 is change the fill of the chart area to the press textures and then collapse the fill option. Select the chart titles and change the fill of the click the fills and click the picture and textures and picture and texture is first column first row and then collapse the fill option. Next is format the chart with the 4 points solid line border and using the default color and rounded corner continue to keep the task pane. Format the chart with click the solid line click the borders and click the solid lines and default color is rounders with this 4 point and rounded corners the rounded corner and close the task pane. So question number 7 is complete and we can move to question number 8. So question number 8 is select the range A50 to B70. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter. A50 to B70 and then insert tab. So go to the insert tab and the chart groups, click the chart groups and insert the water funnels, all charts and water funnel, click OK. Next is change the height of the charts 2.5, the chart design and format tabs and chart height is 2.5 with this 4 press enter and next is add the chart title, select the chart title and type the survey response question number 8 is complete and we can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is A3 to B8 press enter. So select the range on the insert tabs and in the chart group click the maps and then click the field maps. So go to the chart groups and the maps and click the field maps. And next is add the chart title. So select the add the chart title and type the advertising. Advertising by states and deselect the charts. And next is change the height of the chart is the formats and chart height is 2 and width is 4 and press enter. So question number 9 is complete and we can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is format the major grid lines, 2-point solid line and using the default color and format the font of the vertical axis with the font style bold and font color black text one. So select the major lines, major grid line option and width is 2. So the width is 2 points and click the solid lines and width is 2, press enter. Next is format the font of the vertical value axis and go to the home tabs and click the bold and black text one font color and please click OK and submit the assignments. And Excel3B exam is done and score is 100%. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 95 or 100% grade your exam and assignments.